Okay, today I'm going to walk you through removing the headlight of my 2002 on the 320. It's the same process for 2002 to 2005. Basically, there is this bottom frame which has tabs on it, and then the tabs are held inside a bracket. And you basically remove it by pushing the top part down and the bottom part up to disengage it from the bracket. You'll see you'll basically see it, but there are multiple tabs that are held in, and you just push them up and down at the same time simultaneously, and then you hear a click when it gets disengaged. Um, Now here's the tricky part. On the left-hand side, you have to be very careful when you remove this. You have to see how it comes out and not pull on it. Be very gentle and take your time to pull it because these are very easy to break. These tabs are very easy to break, so you don't want to break them because then they won't stay anymore. So the headlight is held by three 10 millimeter bolts or screws, I should say. Actually, they're bolts, one on top and two on the bottom, and then this hook on the left-hand side. So basically, you get your 10 millimeter socket and make sure it's in the loosened position. I had mine in the tight position and I just twisted my arm, but anyway, make sure it's in the loosened position and undo these nuts. Actually, they're nuts, they're not bolts. So there's one, and here's the second one. Um, just basic loosening, and then the third one on top, just loosen that one. And now you have your three 10 millimeter nuts, and you unhook this from the top, and then you pull the bulb. There are two wiring harnesses. They're held in by clips. One on the bottom one is on the outside, and then the top one's on the inside. So just pull the clip outward, and it'll come off. And then this one, you pull the clip inward and into the engine bay, and then it'll come off. So what I've done with mine is I've already installed my HID ballast and the bulb. I've mounted mine to the bottom of it. So here's a CAN bus ballast, and I just had it screwed in to the bottom and ran the wires through the back dust housing. I didn't make any holes. It's just secured from underneath. That's about it. Thanks for watching. Please leave a comment and subscribe.